So the hole is cut for the recessed light. There was a bulb holder, and I prefer to have recessed light because I'm going to be installing something on the ceiling here, and I needed no interruption with the bulb. So the can is going to go up now. This is how this can works. You push this up, and then you clip this on like this. So this is what takes a strong hold on the drywall from up above, and this thing is very sturdy. So let's see, get it done. Okay, so this is up now, so let's clip this on. Just do this. If you've never installed a recessed light before, it's fairly easy. I showed you the first process already, and this is how these recessed bulbs come in. They come with this attachment already, so all you gotta do is just a regular bulb you would screw in. It's done now, and now you basically just put these clips in here. So right here, this one goes here, and then this side goes in this clip here. And now all we do is simply push it up. There you go. So bulb's installed. So these are the clips that hold it on the drywall. So this clip has to be removed, and then we use one of these connectors that will hold the wire. The wire is in the connector, and now we simply tighten these screws so that the wire will never have a chance to come out. Right. And this is the simplest step of all. As you can see, there are 3 pins, white, green, and black, and we got the 3 cables coming out, white, green, and black. So all we gotta do is just clip it in, and we are good to go. And it's sealed in, so let's get it tested out. And so the light is on, except that this one came out to be 3000K, so it's like a soft white, and I was really looking for daylight, which is 5000K. So I'll have to replace the bulb, but that's least of an issue. But just want to show you working. So yeah, pretty much half an hour.